Hello, I'm Kevin. Welcome to Lumber and Lures. The end of May. We've had a bunch of fires go through. We're at the tail end of ours, but it was pretty hairy. Still not over yet up here. We're going to go out and have a look at a couple of cabins that no longer exist. And just kind of have a look around. This is what pretty much everything looks like. A little bit of green, a little bit of brown, a little bit of black. Bunch of mayflies. So let's go check it out. This is a part of the lake we call, well, it's called Banana Bay on the map, right in there. This whole place has been wiped out. Down this channel here is a place where there used to be a cabin. We're gonna go over there and have a look. That fella, he stayed at my place the first night I got back. I told him at the boat launch, if you don't find your house still there, come on over. And he did. Unbelievable. You know, I really don't even want to go up at the Tanner's place. It's just a wreckage. You can see from here. Just an absolute wreckage. Right there, folks. Used to be a cabin. Used to be a dock right here. Fire even wiped out the dock. I'll help them rebuild. I'll help them pack a plank or two. Wow. You know, we're so fortunate. There's another little spot down here I want to show you. Pretty nice spot. Used to be. one time there was a cabin right there. And it was a beautiful little cabin. Nestled right up there on the rocks. Gone. Crazy stuff, man. Can't even tell there was anything there. And that part burns right there, and that part there doesn't. I don't know. Fire is funny. Let's go down the trail and see how my neighbors fared. Elston is his name. He was able to save his cabin, but I think his island is toast as far as trees goes. This is my neighbor Elston's place. We were here together in 2015 when the fire come along. And here we are again, 10 years later. It's got lots of rocks in here. I don't like going into his dock. Got all kinds of rocks in here. Coming up this place, it's got a beautiful guy. Nice place, eh? I'm going to take my $29 home hardware sprinkler. I'm going to put it out there in the burn. But first I got to make a little stand for this baby. Then we'll drag all this paraphernalia over there and get her rigged in. Let's go make a stand. Pretty simple, just going to slap her together. Like I said, pretty basic. Gonna slap together some old scrap that I was just gonna burn anyway. Probably over. Yeah. And Okay, I'm done. Pretty sad back in here, isn't it? Let's go get this hooked up to a water source and get wetting in here. Okay, we're going to put in a Y here to feed my home hardware sprinkler over there. So let's do it. All right. Well, let's turn them on and see what happens. I know it's not a huge sprinkler over here. I get that. But you know what? After a day or two, that whole area will be wet. And then all around. And here a little later today, it can come in with the water hose, or the nozzle I should say, and help around with these little puffs of smoke. We'll get this bugger beat. Well, That's 4 sprinklers moved out. Soak her down good. I'm pretty much out of danger. Everything's burnt up, so I just want to make sure there's no little ground fires. A couple days of that. Before I move that sprinkler around out there, I'll be out there with a nozzle on the end of the hose where the sprinkler's at, just to finish up. And I'll move that whole menagerie over there tomorrow. Back in here. And then the next day down there. I think we're golden. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to go out now and have a look at the other damage to other properties around here and go from there. Just out here on the back porch, and you know what? It's raining. We're getting raindrops. You can see them on the barbecue. On the pollen. No, I don't think it's going to amount to much, but wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't a downpour for an hour be beautiful? Come on, rain. This is what we're trying to save. A little bit of heaven. Every squirrel in the county's living here now. Made a deal with them. They're good for a bit.
Next time on Lumber and Lures.
Let's go unhook Old Faithful for an hour or two. We'll go up this way.